In today's podcast, we will dive into the exciting world of historical movies, examining their accuracy and the legal implications that often accompany them. Hello, Namaskar. Welcome to MindSync's weekly Wednesday podcast, Your Compliance Guard, where we dive deep into the world of compliance. As Wednesday arrives, so do we, with deep insights, engaging discussion, and a fresh perspective about compliance and law. The impact of movies is profound, with the ability to shape perceptions and even influence politics. It's no wonder that South India has seen 6 chief ministers emerge from the field of cinema, understanding the huge influence of the silver screen. Yet amidst the glamour and the fame of cinema lies a responsibility to maintain factual accuracy, especially when dealing with historical events. With over a century of cinematic history, the Indian film industry has evolved into the largest in the world, producing over 1,800 films annually. However, this growth has not been without its challenges, particularly in navigating the delicate balance between entertainment and historical fact. In recent years, several films have faced accusations of misrepresentation and rewriting history, sparking legal battles even before their releases. The need for filmmakers to approach historical subjects with responsibility and commitment to factual accuracy cannot be overstated. Distorting historical facts can not only mislead the public but also have legal implications, as seen in cases where films have faced criminal charges for promoting enmity between groups or outraging religious sentiments. One of the most notable legal battles in recent memory was a controversy surrounding the release of Padmavat. The whole Padmavat issue was a big mess before it even hit theatres. Some religious groups were furious, saying the movie was disrespecting their history and their queen Padmavati. Things got ugly fast, with protests turning violent, even the film sets being attacked. It got so bad that some states like Gujarat, Rajasthan, Haryana, and Madhya Pradesh decided to ban the movie altogether. People were so upset that they took the case to the Supreme Court, asking them to stop the film from releasing because they said it was spreading lies about history. But the court didn't agree. They said the movie already got the green light from the CBFC, the people in charge of checking these things. So, they couldn't step in. In the end, Padmavat made it to the theatres, but not without a lot of drama and controversy. In fact, the movie actually didn't have any controversial scenes as expected. Coming back to the Bollywood again, there are instances when the same freedom is used. Like in case of Tanaji, the historical accuracy was brought into question, particularly regarding the portrayal of the legendary battle between Tanaji and Udayban Rathod. While the film depicted Tanaji as emerging victorious by slaying Udayban, historic records suggest a different outcome. Tanaji in fact lost his life in the battle, leading to a surprise turn of events for the Maratha army. We can see that in this case, historical facts are changed for the happiness of the audience. Now coming back to the topic, one of the primary areas of contention in historical film is the distortion of facts. Filmmakers are accused of rewriting history to fit a certain narrative, often at the expense of accuracy. Moreover, defamation claims and accusations of hurting sentiments further complicate matters. Despite these challenges, courts have generally upheld the freedom of expression while urging filmmakers to exercise caution and include appropriate disclaimers. Additionally, copyright claims are filed when historians or authors seeking to protect intellectual property. However, copyright law stipulates that factual events cannot be copyrighted, thus limiting the scope of such claims. In conclusion, historical films occupy a unique space in cinema, blending entertainment with education and cultural reflection. While legal challenges present, the freedom of expression remains a cornerstone of filmmaking. That's all for today's episode of Your Compliance Guard. Thanks for tuning into MindSyncs podcast. If you found this episode informative, don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the world of compliance and advisory services. Until next time, stay compliant, stay informed.